Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today is Makeup Monday. Now in today's episode, I won't be doing a makeup tutorial, but I will be going over some items that I bought over the holiday that I wanted to share with you guys and get your thoughts and opinions and let you know my thoughts and opinions on some of these items. One of the first things I purchased was the Sincerely Glitter Palette by DearKatieBrown. And check out this palette. These are all glitter eyeshadows. These are so pretty. This is my second order with DearKatieBrown. The first order was some glitter liners, which I love as well. I wanted to try one of her palettes. If you follow her on Twitter or Instagram, she's always posting pictures of her shades and I absolutely love them. One of the greatest things that I love about DearKatieBrown is with her glitter shades, you don't need to put down a glitter glue. You can use it straight out of the pan. I'll go ahead and put a couple swatches on my arm so you can see those. I have used a few for my more artistic looks that I've done lately. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen those. This color is called Eliza. It's just a really pretty pink shade. And we'll go ahead and put that right here. And you can build that up. Another really pretty one is called Blur. And it's a soft, chunky one. Another one I like is May I. And it's kind of like this baby pink and it's got different shapes in there. And again, you can build these up. And we'll do one more. Let's go in with Taken. Taken is really pretty as well. So this palette is $35 on her website. She does have Afterpay if that helps with anything. And let me just see if there's anything on here we should see. We are proud to say that Sincerely by DearKatieBrown is pressed glitter palette is cruelty free. We love that. It has 6 reviews on it and they are all 5 stars, which we love that. And you're gonna get the 15 unique pink-based pressed glitter shades. And it's just a great palette. I love that I have that in my arsenal, so if I need a little glitter, it's quick, it's easy. Like I said, I don't need to put down glue. They're all buildable, and like there's those 4. It's great. Check her out. Link will be in the description box down below. So another company that I purchased from during Black Friday, I believe it was Gerard Cosmetics. I have been wanting to order from them for a while now, and they had a sale, so I bit the bullet and I did my first order. And I got the 2 Rich Luxe scents in the setting sprays. I got the minis because I wanted to test them out and see if I liked them. I'm really picky with setting sprays. My go-to one is the Morphe one because I just love how that comes out of the bottle. And typically with this kind of sprayer, I'm not a fan. I feel like it sprays too much. So I figured I think these were like 75% off on her sale for the minis. I figured I had to go and try. So we got both of them. This one smells like dreamsicle, or depending on where you lived, it would be an orangesicle, you know, that orangey cream flavor. And oh my god, it smelled so good that I went ahead and I bought in the regular size. Like, it's my go-to, and it doesn't have that spray when you spray it from this kind of nozzle where you feel like different amounts hitting you, like bigger swatches, smaller swatches. It's very even. I love it. I love it. I love it. The other scent in the Rich Luxe collab with her was mint chocolate chip. It smells just like a mint chocolate chip. I have used it twice. I will use it more often. I just want to get rid of the little one first, and then once my mint's gone, then we're gonna dive into the big bottle. But I think these little mini ones are great because with me going to the hospital a lot with my daughter and needing an overnight bag, this would be perfect to fit in my makeup bag and not have the bigger bottle to take with me. Another item that I purchased from her was one of her lipsticks, and this is a glitter one, and this is in the shade Fame. I don't know if you'll catch the glitter on there, but we'll go ahead and swatch it on my hand. It's just a pretty brown golden color, and it has flecks of glitter in it, and I thought that was really pretty, and I wanted to try one because just seeing the pictures online are so pretty. The packaging for this is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And again, I will link her company down below. If you go on Twitter, you can ask for somebody's discount code because there are a few people. And then she also has one, I'll have to look it up and add it down in the description box, that you can use, and she takes money from that one and she puts it into one of her charities so that she can donate the funds to charity. And if you check out her YouTube channel, which I will also link in the description box below, all of her money from her YouTube channel gets donated between, I believe it's an animal shelter and a domestic violence house. So, you know, she's doing great things. Jen's an amazing person. Please, please, please go check her out. So I made 2 purchases from Jeffree Cosmetics. You saw my first one in the unboxing of the Christmas mystery box. The other one I did was this lipstick that I got. I got my first Jeffree Star liquid lips with the Shane Dawson bundle pack because I love the packaging of the little pig with all the colors in it, and I just wanted to go all out and support. So I've used those and I absolutely love them. So while he was having his Black Friday special, I got one that I had been eyeing for like a year but was too nervous to buy because I didn't want to spend $18 on a lipstick that I would probably never use. I've gone ahead and used this twice now and I absolutely love it. This one is in the shade Unicorn Blood. And it's just this, I don't know, pretty brown, deep red toned, just like, that's it right there. It's just a really pretty shade. I don't know, I wore it the other day and I got so many compliments on it. So I'm really glad that I took this, I splurged and got that. I believe I paid $10 and change for this while it was on sale, and I got free shipping. So I also ordered a pack of the metal straws in the blue shades because my husband and I just finished watching Broken, like all the episodes, and one of them was on us being gross humans and using too much plastic. So I felt the need to use them, and I'm using my metal straws. Save the turtles. Off my soapbox. Okay, finally, last person that I purchased from was my favorite indie brand right now, and that is LeLePosh Cosmetics. You know they're my favorite. I just did a video last week of them with their Biohazard palette. So the items that I purchased from her was this shade. It's called By Felicia. I believe this is a duochrome. Let's just pick some up on my finger here. I'll go ahead and swatch that on my hand. It's just a really pretty shade. I absolutely love it. Another shade that I picked up was a glitter shade that she has called Barbie. Just as like this little glittery number. And you can build that one up. The next shade I purchased from her was this one called Galactica. Just this like fun Barbie out of space moment. The next one I purchased was called Mistletoe. And you can see I've kind of used that one a little bit. I thought this one would be great because I bought it during Black Friday and Christmas was coming up, so I wanted to make sure I had a nice red tone for all my Christmas looks because I knew I was going to do a bunch. My hands are dirty. And that's with 2 swipes, so it's definitely one that you can build up. I like to put a little bit down first and then put a good layer on top of it, and that first layer just kind of holds it all on there. The next color I purchased was Encore. I said in one of my previous videos, anytime I purchase from her, she's always sent a free gift in a full size to try out. And this is the color Reaper. This is in the Biohazard palette. So I'll go ahead and just show that to you as well. That Encore one, like, oh my god. So pretty. I think it turns from like red to orange. I don't even know. It's just a beautiful color, especially in this light. She packages really great for shipping. So when they don't come in the pallets, she sends them in these little discs so that they don't get damaged in transit, which I think is fantastic. And then when she does send you a pallet, if you get like a full-size pallet, she does make sure that those are wrapped to the gods to make sure that it gets to you safely and securely. Alright guys, I will link everybody that we just talked about down in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it if you want to. That always helps me out and I appreciate it when you do. Okay guys, if you want to see quick 15-second tutorials on my makeup every day, make sure you follow me on TikTok. That will also be linked down in the description box below. Alright guys, until next time. Bye.